I'm Nick DeLuca, Sales Manager of Victoria, also servicing South Australia and Tasmania. So here we're in our PERI Victoria showroom. We just had our open day. The day went really well. We had a fair few existing clients and some new people come through and have a little look at our new showroom. We have our in-house engineers here who can run you through any technical questions that you have on any particular system or any particular project that you have. We had some extended reality or augmented reality on show. We actually had a big truss beam that was connected to a shoring tower which was here on the ground, which integrated quite well and looked really cool. I would encourage everybody to come down and have a little look at what we've got here on offer, because definitely there's a solution that will save you time and money. To all our customers that came down and made the day a great success, thank you. And to anybody that missed out, please feel free to give us a call and come down.